9 News is on your side, investigating a new report linking a laundry detergent to a potentially deadly disease.
In a study of Tide, researchers discovered trace amounts of dioxane. The Environmental Protection Agency found that chemical may cause cancer in lab rats. Health advocacy groups have asked Tide's maker, Procter & Gamble, to change the formula. 9 News reporter Janelle Walton is working to get to the bottom of this report. She is here with the latest on what she's learned. Janelle?
Carol and Clyde, Tide is one of the most popular detergents on the market, but an environmental group says it may not be safe because it has a chemical that may cause cancer. It is a trace amount of that chemical that they're worried about inside of those two formulas. Now, tests run by Women's Voices for the Earth, or WVE, found small amounts of a cancer-causing chemical called 1,4-dioxane in Tide Free and Gentle and Tide Original Scent. WVE says the chemical was found in a byproduct during the manufacturing of the two Tide formulas. Procter & Gamble says the safety and trust of the people who use our products is the foundation of everything we do. The consumer products company went on to say its products have been thoroughly evaluated for safety and meet all regulatory requirements. Now, P&G says trace amounts of the chemical 1,4-dioxane is also commonly found in food, the air we breathe, and in the water we drink. But the company has not said if it will reformulate those two formulas in question. And so tonight, the product actually continues to remain on store shelves for consumers to buy because the EPA says, according to P&G, that it is safe. Carol.
Janelle Walton reporting live for us. Thanks, Janelle. So we wondered, what are you and your neighbors saying about this report? 9 News reporter Jay Warren went out looking for some reaction, and he's here now with what everyone is talking about. Jay?
Well, Carol, in our research, dioxane is in a great number of laundry detergents, not just Tide, but Purex and others as well. It exists in varnishes, waxes, greases, paint and varnish strippers, and it's used as a stabilizer in cosmetics. Now, we got mixed reactions today from those we talked to. The first guy we met told us everything causes cancer.
Crystal Light, you let your kids drink Crystal Light, it has sweeteners in it, but yeah. I mean, I've been using Tide since I was a kid. I'm 45 now, and
yeah, you're okay.
I'm okay.
Even if it's just a little bit, a lifetime of a little bit, yeah.
So it does bother you?
Yeah.
I think, well, how is that even possible? Is what I think. I think there's so many different things that are in life already that we're discovering is causing cancer. It's like, why having one more?
It's a chance I might get cancer from this cigarette. It's a chance by walking through some downtown period you can get cancer just because of how many harsh chemicals are in the air.
Yeah. So it's a part of modern life.
Yes.
Now, the FDA encourages manufacturers to remove dioxane, but is not required by federal law. A number of health authorities, though, around the world have banned imports of products containing dioxane. Carol?
Well, Jay, in fact, this is not Procter & Gamble's first run-in with dioxane. In 2010, the company changed the formula of its Herbal Essence shampoo to reduce or eliminate the chemical. Tide detergent recently made headlines for a much different reason. Last month, police departments across the country reported a big spike in thefts of liquid Tide. Locally, the manager of one tri-state store, who did not want his store identified, told 9 News he'd seen it happen several times. To read the dioxane report on Tide from Women's Voices for the Earth, or to share your opinion on the issue, go to WCPO.com.